Have you ever wondered about the current state of agriculture and the need for sustainable solutions? In an age where the planet's health is at the forefront of our concerns, it's essential to re-evaluate the methods we use to grow our food. Let's take a moment to consider the status quo. Modern agriculture is heavily reliant on synthetic fertilizers. These products are designed to provide quick bursts of nutrients to crops, accelerating growth and boosting yields. However, they come with a host of issues. They can lead to nutrient runoff, contaminating water bodies, and leading to the proliferation of harmful algal blooms. Over time, they can also degrade soil health by disrupting the natural balance of microorganisms. The good news is that there's an alternative that is not just viable, but also beneficial for the environment. Enter organic fertilizers, the unsung heroes of sustainable agriculture. Derived from naturally occurring organic materials like animal manure, plant residues, and food scraps, these fertilizers offer a host of advantages over their synthetic counterparts. Organic fertilizers are slow-release powerhouses providing essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to plants over an extended period. This gradual release mimics the natural decomposition process, preventing nutrient leaching and promoting healthier plant growth. But their benefits go beyond just nourishing plants. Organic fertilizers also play a crucial role in enhancing soil health. They improve soil structure, promoting better drainage and water retention. This fosters a thriving environment for beneficial microbes and promotes root development, leading to more resilient crops. Moreover, organic fertilizers help reduce our environmental footprint. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can contribute to pollution and degrade soil health over time, organic fertilizers promote a biodiverse and healthy ecosystem. Their natural decomposition replenishes organic matter in the soil, contributing to combating desertification and climate change. With this in mind, let's dive into the world of organic fertilizers and understand their benefits. Over the next few scenes, we'll delve deeper into the nutrient-rich world of these fertilizers, their role in improving soil health, and how they contribute to a more sustainable future. Organic fertilizers are truly nature's nutrient powerhouse. They are derived from naturally occurring materials like animal manure, plant residues, and food scraps. These materials are rich in essential nutrients that are vital for the healthy growth and development of plants. The primary nutrients provided by organic fertilizers include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen is crucial for leaf growth and forms a vital part of proteins and chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the green color in plants. Phosphorus aids in energy transfer and storage, playing a key role in photosynthesis, while potassium is essential for overall plant health, helping to regulate water balance and promote strong roots. What sets organic fertilizers apart is their gradual, slow-release nature. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can lead to a sudden surge of nutrients, organic fertilizers release these essential elements over an extended period of time. This mimics the natural decomposition process, ensuring a steady supply of nutrients to the plants. This slow release of nutrients has significant benefits for plant growth. It reduces the risk of nutrient leaching, a process where nutrients are washed out of the soil by rain or irrigation before plants can absorb them. This not only deprives the plants of the nutrients they require, but can also lead to water pollution. Moreover, the nutrients in organic fertilizers are often in a form that is readily available for plant uptake, making them highly efficient. They work in harmony with the soil ecosystem, nourishing both the plants and the myriad of beneficial microorganisms that inhabit the soil. These microorganisms, in turn, help to break down the organic matter further, releasing even more nutrients and enhancing soil fertility. In addition to these primary nutrients, organic fertilizers also contain a variety of secondary nutrients and micronutrients, like calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and trace minerals. These are often overlooked but are equally vital for plant health, playing a role in various biochemical processes within the plant. Thus, organic fertilizers offer a natural way to supplement plants with essential nutrients. They are a veritable banquet of nourishment, providing a comprehensive range of nutrients in a form and manner that closely aligns with nature's own processes. The benefits of organic fertilizers extend beyond just nutrient supply. They're more like a soil superhero, swooping in to save the day for our precious topsoil. You see, the organic matter in these fertilizers has an extraordinary ability to enhance soil structure. It's a bit like adding a sponge to your garden. Organic matter makes the soil more porous, improving drainage and preventing waterlogging. It also increases aeration, allowing plant roots to breathe easier. But that's not all. Organic matter also enhances the soil's water retention capabilities. This means that in times of drought, the soil can hold on to precious moisture for longer, keeping plants hydrated and happy. All these improvements in soil structure create a nurturing environment for plant roots to develop and grow strong. But the superhero powers of organic fertilizers don't stop there. They also foster a thriving environment for beneficial microbes. You might be wondering why we would want microbes in our soil. Well, these tiny organisms play a vital role in breaking down organic matter into nutrients that plants can absorb. The more microbes, the more nutrient-rich the soil. There's another advantage to having a microbe-rich soil. These little critters form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, protecting them from harmful pathogens and diseases. It's like having an army of microscopic bodyguards for your plants. So, organic fertilizers are not just feeding the plants, but also nurturing the soil. They're enhancing its structure, enriching it with beneficial microbes, and making it more resilient to environmental stresses. It's a complete package of care that not only boosts plant health, but also promotes a balanced and sustainable ecosystem. And let's not forget, a healthy soil means a healthy crop. A crop that's more resilient to diseases, pests, and environmental stresses. A crop that can deliver higher yields and better quality produce. So organic fertilizers are not just feeding the plants, but also nurturing the soil. They're the unsung heroes of agriculture, working behind the scenes to create a fertile and sustainable foundation for our food system. Organic fertilizers have a significant advantage when it comes to environmental impact. Unlike their synthetic counterparts, these fertilizers are derived from naturally occurring organic materials, such as animal manure, plant residues, and food scraps. As a result, their production, use, and disposal have a much lower environmental footprint. Synthetic fertilizers, which are often derived from non-renewable resources, can contribute to various environmental problems. These include water pollution due to nutrient runoff, soil degradation, and harm to beneficial soil organisms. Over time, the overuse of synthetic fertilizers can even lead to a decline in soil fertility, forcing farmers to apply more and more fertilizer to achieve the same yields. On the other hand, organic fertilizers release their nutrients slowly, mimicking the natural decomposition process. This gradual release helps to prevent nutrient leaching and runoff, reducing the risk of water pollution. Moreover, organic fertilizers can actually improve soil health by adding organic matter and fostering a thriving environment for beneficial microbes. These microbes play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and help to maintain soil fertility in the long term. Organic fertilizers also have a role to play in combating climate change. Agriculture is a significant source of greenhouse gases, and synthetic fertilizers are a major contributor to this. By contrast, organic fertilizers can help to sequester carbon in the soil, reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Additionally, the production of organic fertilizers often involves recycling waste materials, which can further reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, organic fertilizers can help to promote biodiversity. Synthetic fertilizers can harm non-target organisms and disrupt ecosystems. Organic fertilizers, on the other hand, can support a diverse range of soil organisms, from bacteria and fungi to earthworms and insects. These organisms all play a role in maintaining soil health and productivity. In essence, using organic fertilizers can be a step towards sustainable farming and a healthier planet. But there's more to organic fertilizers than you might think. Venturing beyond the basics, organic fertilizers serve as a multifaceted tool in the agricultural toolbox. They not only nourish the soil and plants, but also play an indirect role in combating pests and diseases. Indeed, by fostering stronger, healthier plants, these natural fertilizers create an environment less susceptible to pest invasions and disease outbreaks. Moreover, they attract beneficial insects, nature's own little soldiers, who prey on the harmful pests. This way, organic fertilizers are not just feeding our crops, but also protecting them. And the benefits don't stop there. Have you ever wondered why some fruits and vegetables just taste better? Well, you might have organic fertilizers to thank for that. Studies suggest that these natural nutrient providers may enhance the flavor, aroma, and even nutritional content of certain crops. So whether you're growing tomatoes for a juicy salad or grapes for a fine wine, organic fertilizers can add a premium touch to your harvest. But what if you're dealing with a specific soil type or crop need, or perhaps you're working within a tight budget? Fret not, for the world of organic fertilizers is as diverse as it is beneficial. From composted manure teeming with nutrients to vermicompost, a stellar example of recycling in action, the options are many. You could also turn to plant-based fertilizers like seaweed extract, a powerhouse of micronutrients, or bone meal, a fantastic source of phosphorus. Choosing the right organic fertilizer is like picking the right key to unlock your soil's potential. It's about understanding the unique needs of your soil and crops and finding the best natural solution to meet them. This shows the versatility and added benefits of using organic fertilizers. So as we journey beyond the basics, we uncover a world where nurturing crops with nature's bounty does more than just feed. It protects, enhances, and diversifies, all while keeping sustainability at its heart. So why should we embrace organic fertilizers? Well, the advantages are plentiful and the potential impacts profound. Firstly, let's talk yields. When organic fertilizers are used appropriately, they have the capacity to deliver yields that are not only comparable to, but in some cases, even higher than those achieved with synthetic fertilizers. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Organic fertilizers can enhance the taste and overall quality of your crops, adding a premium touch to your harvest that can't be overlooked. Then there's sustainability. Organic fertilizers are nature's gift to agriculture, derived from naturally occurring organic materials like animal manure, plant residues, and food scraps. Using them is like giving back to the earth, reducing pollution and conserving water resources. Their natural decomposition replenishes the organic matter in the soil, combating desertification and climate change. So by using organic fertilizers, we're not just thinking of the now, we're also safeguarding our agricultural future. And let's not forget the economic advantages. Sure, the initial cost of organic fertilizers might be higher than synthetic ones, but it's the long-term benefits we should be looking at. Over time, improved soil fertility and reduced reliance on expensive synthetic fertilizers can lead to substantial cost savings for farmers. Better soil health means less need for costly interventions, and healthier, more resilient crops mean less loss to pests and diseases. It's an investment that pays off. Organic fertilizers are more than just a nutrient source for crops. They're a tool for healthier soils, a weapon against environmental degradation, and a means for a more sustainable and economically viable agriculture. So why should we embrace organic fertilizers? Because they offer a promising path towards a more sustainable and productive agricultural future. Because they allow us to cultivate healthy crops, nourish our communities, and protect our planet for generations to come. Clearly, the benefits of embracing organic fertilizers are far-reaching. So let's make the most of what nature has to offer. Let's embrace the benefits of organic fertilizers. However, the journey towards organic farming is not without challenges. The transition from synthetic to organic fertilizers can seem daunting, but it is a journey worth embarking upon. Let's discuss some of these challenges and how to overcome them. The first challenge is availability and cost. Organic fertilizers, especially high-quality ones, may not be readily available in all regions or may come with a higher price tag. But don't let this deter you. The solution lies in advancements in composting technology and community-based composting initiatives. These innovations are making organic fertilizers more accessible and affordable. Furthermore, remember that the long-term benefits of organic fertilizers, such as improved soil fertility, can lead to greater cost savings in the future. The second challenge is the transition itself. Moving from synthetic to organic farming methods requires a new understanding and approach. It's not just about swapping one type of fertilizer for another, but about embracing a different mindset. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. There are educational programs and farmer networks available to provide the necessary support and guidance. These resources can help you understand the best practices for using organic fertilizers and how to maximize their benefits. The final challenge is patience. Organic fertilizers release nutrients gradually over time, unlike synthetic fertilizers that provide an instant boost. This means that it may take a bit longer to see the results of your efforts. But remember, good things come to those who wait. The gradual release of nutrients is actually better for your plants and the environment, as it mimics the natural decomposition process and prevents nutrient leaching. With the right approach and support, these challenges can be overcome to reap the benefits of organic fertilizers. It's about embracing a sustainable future, nurturing healthier crops, and conserving our precious resources. So let's take this journey together, one step at a time, towards a more sustainable and productive agricultural future. So, where does this leave us? We've explored the world of organic fertilizers, understanding their nutrient power, soil-enhancing properties, and their role in reducing environmental impact. We've moved beyond the basics, discussing how these natural fertilizers can help fight pests, boost crop quality, and offer versatile options for every farmer's needs. We've embraced the benefits, highlighting the potential for increased yields and quality, a more sustainable future, and economic advantages for those in the agriculture sector. And we've addressed the challenges, pointing towards solutions in technology, community initiatives, and education. In essence, organic fertilizers represent a promising path towards a sustainable and productive agricultural future. By tapping into nature's bounty, we're not just nurturing our crops, but also protecting the very soil that sustains us. So let's remember, by embracing organic fertilizers, we can cultivate healthier crops, nourish our communities, and protect our planet for generations to come.